Hi there, it's Iman here at whitelabel. I'm going to take you through our latest feature, which allows users to themselves allow other users to access their account. So for example, let's imagine that your boss has asked you to post a job for them on this platform, and you go ahead and post the job, you post a bunch of jobs, you do some work, and they then want to take over, to go in and continue working on those jobs. The easiest way to do that currently in our system is to use this feature. So you would give access to your account to your boss, and they would be able to log in to your system and then act as you in those jobs. You can also use this if you want to enable your freelancers and customers to have both types of users. So a single person can create a freelancer account and they can create a customer account. And by using this feature, they can then switch between both accounts very easily. So to access this, you go to your admin dashboard and you search for access, and you'll see this option, allow users to permit other users to access their accounts. You need to enable this. You will also need to disable this option, which is replace the avatar logout menu style with a simple logout button. So you have to disable that. And that's because this logout section here on the right, that's where we add the functionality for this new user permission system. So you have to disable that logout section. Okay, so once you've done that, so don't forget to save. And once you've done that, you'll see in this right-hand section, the right-hand menu, there's an option to add a user. If you click on that, I'm already on the page, that's why it's not working. But if you click on that, it will take you to your settings page and it'll take you to this section called Manage Users. It says here, give other users access to your account. So I am now a customer and I want to give a freelancer, well, I'll give another user access to my account. So let's see how we do that. So first of all, we have to go and find a user, email address, and then pop it into this box, and we're going to add it. Okay, so we've now given permission to this person to access our account. We can also remove them if we want, but let's add them back again. Okay, now I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log in as that user. Okay, and now on the right hand side, we can see that we have this option, Iman Fadai customer. So this user now has the ability to log in as us. And before I show you how that works, you can see here that this user could also, again, do the same thing and invite other people to access their account. But for now, let's see what happens when one user who has permission to access another account chooses to do so. So I'm going to click on that button. And now I'm logged in as that user. So as far as the platform is concerned, I am now that user with the full permissions of that user. So again, we've come back to where we started, where one user can add other people. Now let's go back and log in as the user who now has permissions. and we're going to go to the settings page, and we're going to add the first user to access the second user's account. So apologies, it's getting a bit complex, but you'll see where this is heading. Okay, so the freelancer has now added the customer, given the customer permission. So what this now means is that I'm going to switch from the freelancer to the customer, and now the customer also has permission to switch back to the freelancer. There we go. So you can switch back and forth now very easily. So as long as any party has the other party's access, they can switch back and forth. So that's how the system works. And if you have any questions, get in touch. Otherwise, head over to your admin section, search for access, and enable this functionality. Enjoy.